The upcoming segment discuss content that is of adult nature. The views and opinions expressed are not that of the SABC and are that of participating contributors and listeners, and do not reflect that of the official policy or position of Metro FM.
Good morning, Anonymous.
Morning, Kuto.
How are you, Anonymous?
I'm fine, and you?
Phew, Anonymous, you don't sound okay. Are you in a place where you can actually talk to us?
Yes, I can talk.
Okay. Are you right? Are you on the side of the road? Where are we? Office, at home?
I'm outside. Actually, I'm taking you walk as I'm talking to you.
Okay, perfect. Anonymous, I'm going to read you the house rules and then going to allow, of course, the judge to come through. You'll let us know. Is there no way you can step into a quiet place? We can hear cars passing by. Whoosh, whoosh.
Oh, yes. Let me try to do that.
Please, while you do that, while you get into a quiet place, I'm going to read the house rules. Anonymous, respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respect for language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to kindly extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
Yes, I do agree.
Ooh. Anonymous, can you get into a quiet place?
Yeah, I'm trying to do that.
Okay. No stress. I don't want you swearing here. You got this?
Yeah.
All right.
How is it now, ma'am?
Much better, ma'am. Please, when you are ready, let us know. What advice do you need this morning?
Oh, okay. So, I'm from another province. For example, I'm from Johannesburg.
Mm-hmm.
And then I went to stay in Cape Town. So when I went to stay in Cape Town, I found a job, and then I met this guy at work. We started talking. Obviously, there were others, but I wasn't interested. So we started talking with this special guy, and he is my senior at work. We had this thing going on, and then afterwards, things were nice. Everything was nice. Like, we were dating. I thought that he was going to be my one and only. And then I started having dreams about this guy, that he has a partner. So I then asked him. He said, I'm delusional, I'm crazy, I want to keep tabs on him, I'm not supposed to be doing that. And then later on I found out that he has an actual partner. I'm just a side to him.
When you say he has a partner, what do you mean? Is he married? Has he been dating somebody long term? What's happening?
Yes, he's been dating somebody long term. I'm actually the side, but I didn't know.
Okay.
And then I found out, and then he confessed, and I asked him about it because I had everything now. And then he said he's sorry, he's going to leave the lady, nanani. I said, okay, it's fine. I gave him like a week or two. I said, if you don't want to leave the lady, it's fine. I can also do this with someone else. It's going to be a 50-50 situation. He was like, okay, I must give him time. And then along those 2 weeks or 3 weeks, while he was drinking, I got pregnant with his child. And then...
So when he was saying, give me time, when you chose to give him a baby instead?
Well, okay, yes.
Okay.
But I didn't know. I didn't think I was gonna, have a baby, because he told me, like, when he saw me, like, the first time, I told him that I'm not preventing, can you have, like, a protection or so? He was like, you're gonna buy the morning after. And so we usually bought them, and sometimes I buy them alone. And then this one time, after finding out that he has the actual partner, I didn't buy. And then that's how I got pregnant.
But you didn't know you were going to get pregnant, even though you were having unprotected sex, no? It was like just a surprise. These things happen. Okay. Carry on.
Okay. After that, I went to his house, And obviously I was pregnant already, but I didn't know. He told me, he was like, your boobs are big. Are you okay? He's saying, I was like, no, I'm fine. What do you mean I'm okay? And then I took a preg test. It went negative. And then a week or 2 weeks later, I did another test, and then I found out I was pregnant, actually.
And then how far along were you then?
I was, the pregnancy said 3 weeks plus. So I'm thinking I was a month or two, I don't know.
And you sure good it's this guy's baby, ne? Because you haven't been having sex with anybody else unprotected. Nobody else came to you before buying condoms, or not?
No, I'm not going to say nobody, but I was pregnant, and then I had this other guy because I wanted to do a 50-50 situation now.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm sure it was his baby, because he was also asking me, are you okay? When are you having your period? Your boobs are big and so forth. So he then left me at his house. When he went home, I started calling this other person, or the other person called me. I can't remember. Unfortunately, somehow I forgot that he has a camera at home. So the camera was recording everything. So he had the whole tape of me talking to this other person. And then he started fighting. He started saying he doesn't even know whether the baby is his or not. How can I do this to him? I told him that you're also doing it, so why can't I do it? He said he's not going to be defending a defender. He's also going to be on top. So I was like, what do you mean by that? What to let the games begin?
Let the games begin. And at that time, you are pregnant. And
yes,
he says
I was
to you,
pregnant when he said that to me.
But then you were also talking to the other guy while you were pregnant. So, vele, let the games begin. I get it's 50-50. Or is there a problem?
It wasn't that easy.
Okay.
Yeah. Then the games began, okay, from his side, not from our side. And then when I found out that I was pregnant, he then gave me a warning at work, okay, for something else. He could have just saved his way, but because we were fighting already, he then gave me a warning at work. It's fine. I then terminated the baby. He didn't know that. I asked him, what are you going to do about the situation now? It's up to me, but he's going to be there. He doesn't mind supporting the child. He's going to be there for me. I was like, fuck this. Sometimes he talks to me, sometimes...
Please watch your language. Please watch your language. We can't allow foul language. Please watch your language, or
I'm going
else
to
we have
stop
to
you,
let
actually.
you go. No?
Wait, I'm going to stop you here. Anonymous, please just mind your language. I know we are very comfortable here, but mind your language, nah? Number 2, I'm going to the news headlines.
Okay.
No more warning of your language, and then we'll get back to finishing off the advice you need from the gents, okay?
Okay.
All right. I know you're heated right now. Right. We've got Anonymous on the line, 31 minutes after 10 o'clock. South Africa, thank you for joining us. Thank you for being here for Anonymous. Naked DJ and Sumizia here. Anonymous moved to a new province for work purposes. She met a guy at the office. They hit it off at the start, started dating. She soon realized that this guy has a partner and she is assigned to him. She gave him an ultimatum to decide whether he moves forward with her or his partner. Sharp. She started engaging with another guy while he was still deciding on who he's going with. Now, the guy found out that Anonymous was busy with someone else, and he got upset, especially because she was pregnant. She now just mentioned that she terminated the baby as a result of all this chaos. So this is where we are. Anonymous.
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
All right, you've cooled down?
Yeah, I'm fine now.
Okay. Let's continue, Anonymous. You're telling us about your termination?
Well, he didn't know that I had already terminated the baby. He kept on talking, but as you were talking, I could see
Anonymous, you've moved or you've changed or you've gone to a different place, because now we can barely hear you.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Yeah. Just, stay in one place. Where we say you're perfect, please do not move, no? Because we compromise the audio. Our listeners won't be able to hear you. So we'll give you time again.
Okay.
Yeah. Just let us know when you are back where we started off, okay?
No problem.
Thank you.
Cool. So is there any clarification you need right now while she's moving around?
On my side, I'm good. I don't know if Somizi needs clarification. Maybe.
No, Somizi is fine. That's past tense. Somizi is present tense. I'm just, guys, you get a warning at work and then you decide to terminate the baby. This is way too much for me for a Monday.
Is it okay now?
Are you outside, Anonymous?
Yes, I actually went out from the...
Why did you go out? Because you were perfect inside?
That's what she said.
Oh, gosh. You were perfect inside, Anonymous.
But you didn't get me correctly. I've been outside, man.
Oh. Esh, I wish you were inside, but it's fine. Let's continue, Anonymous. Guys.
Yeah. Okay, let's continue, Anonymous.
So then, as we were speaking, I could see that he's not into me. And then he was lying that he's going to use the other woman. So
he's going to use the other woman.
Yeah. So I had this termination. He didn't know.
Mm-hmm.
And then after he gave me a warning, he fought. He then comes to me and said, I can have termination because he has a recording of me speaking to another partner.
Okay.
Yeah, I was like, okay, fine. You can give me the money and so forth.
Okay.
He then gave me the money, of which I had already done the thing, the termination. Moving forward, we got back together. We tried to fix whatever. I don't know. We tried to fix, and then he bought a car, same as mine, different color. And then we were together, I think, for the past 2 weekends. I was with him. He then told me that he's not going to be with me. He didn't say like that, but I could see that now it's not going to be my turn. It's going to be the other lady's turn. So I was like, okay, let me just keep quiet for this time period. And then recently I saw him as I was driving. He was also driving, but he had another partner in the car. It wasn't the lady that I know. It was somebody else. And I kept on seeing him maybe like 3 times or 4 times. And we haven't spoken since.
Oh, okay. Hold on. So when you had said that you had given him a chance to choose between you and the other woman.
Yes.
So when you say you saw him with another woman which you did not know of, if you had seen him with a woman that you knew, you would have been comfortable with that.
Well, at least I was going to be... At least it's the person that I know. It's not somebody else.
Okay.
Now he's behaving like a polo driver with each and every lady in his car.
He's behaving like a?
Like those polo drivers.
Oh my
with each and
goodness.
every lady.
Anonymous. Okay.
He then sent me a text prior to me seeing him, because he also saw that I was seeing him, because I just parked there. And then I wanted him to see that I could speak, because I wanted to see the other lady just to confirm if it's the lady that I know, and it wasn't the lady. He then sent me a text, because I had said that I missed him. He then said, yes, I know you miss me, but you're troubling me in a way. But I never responded to him, because I knew if he said that, then he's with this other person. So since then we haven't spoken, and what's worse is that he even knows that other guys want me. I don't want them, but he would say, why are you entertaining so and so at work, because this one and this one wants you. And I was like, I don't even want them, it's only you. But he would be jealous that other guys are busy talking to me, yet he is doing whatever he's doing on the side. So now I know I want to leave him. I know deep down I want to leave him, but the only thing that makes me stay is the dick part,
Oh my
the intimacy.
gosh.
That's the
Anonymous,
only thing.
but please, we asked you, please watch your language. That's strike 2.
Why Faneka has a strike 2?
Okay, yeah. So Anonymous, we're gonna stop you from speaking because we can't trust you. We're just gonna give you to Somizi to give you advice, no?
Okay.
Yeah.
What advice do you want to love?
Am I a fool for going back to him after knowing that, and after seeing that this person is using me, because I keep going to him, back to him every time he comes back?
Yes, you are a fool.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you so
My
much.
next question is,
Oh,
if
there's another question.
yes, so you said that I'm a fool. Okay, I was expecting that. So now, the other one that I had, I don't want him, and I don't want to go back there because the other part is not great as this one that's using me. So now,
Uthini,
what do
hold
I
on.
do?
And then you sound muffled. Ask again.
So since this one is using me, and you confirmed that this one is using me, the other one, I don't want him. He's saying we must get them together, and I don't want him because I know the other department he's lacking. That's why I keep coming back to this one.
No wonder you were muffled.
So you would rather be treated like rubbish just because of vitamin D is good.
Ish. I couldn't say that. Ish.
Yeah, you're not the first one, not the last one. Go, my love, go. Go chase. You need to go because you want what you want. You must go. Go get great sex and 0 grade treatment.
Yes.
Yeah, Hamba. Yeah. Here we're not here to convince you, but because we've been on this story before, and you've heard the story before.
Okay.
I think you've heard the story before of a girl that is treated like rubbish, but still stays anyway. Now you're like, oh, mina angeke, but now you are here now. So, what must happen? Why do you allow people to treat you like that? And why do you sleep with multiple people without protection? Why?
The other question you just had with me with protection, please repeat it.
I'm saying, why do you sleep with multiple people without protection?
No, since I came this other side of the province, it's been him. The other one, we used it because he was also scared of having a child. So we used it with the second one.
So after you found out that this one has another girlfriend, you still carried on without protection?
Yes, because I did suggest that we can use protection now that I know. And then he was like, how, you don't trust me? I said, you have another partner. He said that he's been doing this, but it's just that you didn't know. Now that you know you want this, what's the difference? So I was like, okay then.
Wow, girl. Wow. And now you see him with another girl in the car, and you are upset because it's a different girl, it's not the other one. Like, your level of self-love is on 0. I was turned, man. I was turned. The fact that you are able to settle with, oh, it's better if it was the other girl that I know. You are angry because it's different. It's like expecting a thief to only steal in specific shops, and you are angry when they steal from a different shop. A thief is a thief. It will steal anywhere it's where it's stealable. So is the cheater. A cheater does not have limits. So when because I was tanding, it's better if it was the lady that you know. Now you're angry because it's the lady that you don't know. How much lack of self-love and low self-esteem can one have for them to get to that level of sacrificing and compromising and settling for rubbish? How much, my baby? Do you have parents?
Yes.
If your mother can hear what you're going through, how proud or how not proud would she be?
She was not going to be proud at all.
And don't you want to make your parents proud?
I see.
It starts today, gay. It's never too late to make them proud. Do better, my love. Do better. You're not only going to die physically, you're going to die emotionally, mentally, spiritually, and otherwise. If you carry on like this, uzofa, you're gonna be a dead woman walking. Stop it. Okay.
Okay.
Gandhi Kuzo, like, don't ladies have toys? Like when you're single and you know you're addicted to a person and you know that person is bad for you. Yes, it's not the same as having a human being, but if you're just chasing an orgasm, isn't having a toy a nice temporary fix?
No.
It's like you're asking if a girl prefers a tampon versus a pad. Each to their own. She might not be into the toys. She wants
Yeah.
a real thing. Yeah.
Blood in, blood out. I get you.
Wow.
It's not the same thing.
Wow.
So, Anonymous, do you agree with Kuzo?
I couldn't hear her clearly, but I
Do
know
you-
that I don't want to buy toys. My friends have advised me to buy the toys, and I don't
There we
want
go.
them.
Anonymous, if your friends have advised you to buy toys because you make bad decisions as far as relationships are concerned, go buy those toys. Your friends are preventing you from getting hurt. Your friends are trying to prevent you from a long time illness. Your friends are trying to prevent from people taking advantage of you. Your friends, you even call them friends. They are your friends because they love you. But when you think your friends don't know what they're talking about because you are chasing this orgasm from this guy, that's not good for you. If you want to save your life, sometimes listen to your friends. Your friends sometimes might have better advice for you than strangers. Go buy those toys today. Ungahleki. Like, we're trying to save your life here. At least you'll be able to choose the correct toy because you failed at choosing the correct man. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. And uzoba right, service yourself until you've serviced your heart, you've serviced your spirit, and then you can start over again with a clean slate. So Mizi said, so Mizi said have self-love, please. Dala nabo gogo bethu batenda. Nawe you ungatenda mnaka. Ungazenza.
Yini ukutenda?
Angazenza. She can masturbate. Yeah.
And,
Uzoba right. Okay. You do not know how to choose amadoda. You are failing.
But don't be so harsh. Now, this person has seen every day, like everything.
Konje.
Exactly. Anonymous. This person is also you said is your senior at work.
Correct.
I'm sure he will cut your whole department, move on to another department because he's the senior. And then when all of you get pregnant, he's going to give you warnings. All of you, Nizoba terminator. So stop being foolish. Get those toys. Try and heal. Get some self-love. Because this is not the way to live life. And terminating babies is not form of contraception. Condoms. When you meet a person, you can't say, hey, 3 weeks. No, then I suggested. What do you mean I suggested we use condoms after 3 weeks? After 3 weeks, it's not even a suggestion, Anonymous. It's a must. You don't know each other. You've not tested. And then you're going to say, no, Pella's suggestion means he can say yes or no. How are you going to play with your life like that? So stop it, Anonymous. Grow up. Grow up today or you won't be alive for us to talk to you for a recap in the next couple of months. Like Somizi said, uzabu file. Fi. It's not a joke.
Anonymous?
Yes, I'm here to go.
Mama, we're going to leave it here. I think you can also say you somewhat got what you needed through the gents today. Ne?
Yes,
Are you okay, Anonymous?
yes, I'm fine.
Okay.
Even the vultures are circling.
What do you mean?
You heard the vultures in the background. Like Somizi said, she's going to be a dead woman walking. Uzvile lezazinyoni in the background. Twi. Zimele wena.
Yo.
Whoa. Hey, Anonymous, I need you to be strong. Now, there's more advice coming from South Africa. Please continue listening through your radio, okay?
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you for the strength to ask a man. It's no
In Anonymous's voice, no, we are going to give her advices, but she's not going to take them. Anonymous, please take yourself seriously. It's 2025. Skatele sonke. We can't be advising you. Ngento ezikanje. No, man, you should know better. Palisa here from Northwest.
Thank you, Palesa.
Hi, Koots, Somizi and Naked.
Hi, ma.
Yo, guys, this is the reason why HIV stats will forever be high in South Africa, because of the level of recklessness we people take. I think people don't believe that HIV is a real thing. They don't believe that STDs are a real thing. And unplanned pregnancies. I don't understand. Anonymous, your behavior is scary, actually. It really is. And listening to it, it's actually scaring me. I don't have any other advice to add on to what Somizi and Naked have said, but she needs to love herself and she needs to take care of herself. That's all I have to say.
Oh, Kuto and Somizi with the Naked DJ.
Hey, ma.
I just want to find out, when are these ladies going to understand and know that a man is only good to the woman he loves? Until when? Because these guys where you think, oh, this guy is a bad boy, this guy is a cheater. When he gets the woman he loves, these boys change into better men. So I don't know. When you see he's not treating you good, it means you're not for him. It ends there.
Good morning, Metro.
Morning.
This is Tabo here from Melody. My advice to Anonza is that Anonza, please love yourself. Playing with it, it's not a right thing for you, eh? Please love yourself, and we do understand ukuthi easy papa lento le yangisho, but then please love yourself and take care of yourself, Anonza. Put yourself first, and please stop playing with it. Please stop playing with it, because you'll end up regretting. Thank you, Metro.
Thank you very much, Tabo. We got a comment here just to wrap things up. Cedric Jones saying, another example of a classic but very controversial saying. Women preach self-love, men live it.
Yeah, boo.
Some gaga.
Church is out, Naked.
Oh, indeed it has.
Church is out.
Did it has?
Like women preach.
Women or women?
Women.
Oh, I thought you meant
Women preach self-love.
Yes, they do.
Men live it.
Yeah.
Right? Men live it. And again, sazobuyela futhi na ku-LGBT
Buyela lapho.
abanye nabo abapreacha self-love mara bayilivi asiyilivi thina siyayi-acta self-love yo abasiravazi so abafana yazi abafana nje funeke nje batsitshwe funeke nitsitshwe nje abantsipanga nje sebancane.
What does that mean?
Pinch.
Speech.
Because in Xhosa ukutsitshwa it means jump over.
Ukutsiba. No. Maba
pinch ring.
Yeah, yeah. So, yeah. This is heartbreaking, Naked.
They're giving us business opportunities. You and I are going to be like Desmond and Lillian Dube. We're going to start like I'm a funeral cover for Ask a Man. Because they're not taking care of themselves. When it was about Lillian, meaning about Desmond. Yeah.
But that's fair. The age gap still is the same. it's still the same. It's fair. It's fair, Naked. No, I get you. So yeah, it's heartbreaking, honestly. Like you know, we might laugh about it, but I'm a funeral cover still ngeke aphele.
Yes, angeke.
Angeke aphele.
Get your Ask a Man funeral cover today.
I'm telling you.
Catering. Prayer by Khupedi Dilokwe. Catering.
No, angeke. I refuse.
By who?
Abazifakile self-inflicted.
Thank you.
Angeke.
Okay, yeah.
Funeral cover yethu a dom.
Okay.
Yeah. Abo clever ngeke beze.
So who does the service?
Yeah?
Who does the service? Okay, when you'll do the service.
Angelique.
Okay. Angelique.
Yeah, Papari. Izilima. I want you.
This is not going to end well.
I'm telling you. It's not. Lalela.
Oh, that's the payoff line for the funeral cover.
This is not going to end well.
Ask a man funeral cover. This is not going to end well.